So the conservative candidate, Judge Brad Schimel, telling 12 News' Emily Pofall he has no plans to be with Musk in Green Bay.
Candidate Judge Brad Schimel on the ground in Dodge and Washington counties Friday, talking to supporters and also addressing billionaire donor Elon Musk's tactics to get him elected.
Elon Musk said he's going to be speaking at an event in Wisconsin on Sunday. Are you going to be there?
I heard that in the news this morning, too. I've had no invitation. I don't know where he's going to be, and we have no plans to be there. We have a very aggressive campaign calendar.
If he asked you to be there, would you?
I don't know. We'd have to talk about that. I have no idea what he's doing. I have no idea what this rally is.
Schimel also not weighing in on State Attorney General Josh Kaul's lawsuit, trying to stop Musk from giving millions to Wisconsin voters.
What do you think about the AG suing to stop him from doing that anymore?
I just went through this. I have no idea. Okay, if Josh Kaul does what Josh Kaul does, that's his business.
On the campaign trail with Schimel Friday, Republican Wisconsin Senator Ron Johnson.
My guess is Elon's a pretty smart guy, and he's going to do it in a legal way.
What do you think of the AG filing that lawsuit today, saying what he's doing is illegal?
Well, first of all, the Wisconsin AG is participating in lawfare.
The group saying the lawsuit and Democrats' outrage over Musk's $1 million giveaway is a distraction, pointing to liberal-backed Judge Susan Crawford's donations from mega donors George Soros and Illinois Governor J.B. Pritzker.
At this point, though, do you think that what Musk is doing and coming to Wisconsin, the $1 million, do you think it's helpful to your campaign?
I don't control Elon Musk. I don't know what he's coming to Wisconsin for.
Again, Schimel not saying whether or not he will be at the event with Elon Musk Sunday. That event set for less than 2 days from Election Day, April 1st. In Germantown, Emily Pofall, WISN 12 News.